In today's video, I'll teach you how to create an account on Old Navy credit card. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in this link that you can see right over here on your screen. After you enter that link, you'll be led to the official website of Barclays, or instead of that, you can also simply search for Old Navy credit card. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the link provided by the Barclays US. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be able to apply for the credit card. For that, click on this option, apply now. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can save the time by simply pre-filling your personal info. Simply enter the 4 digits of SSN and mobile phone number over here. After that, your personal information will be pre-filled according to the mobile phone number and 4 digits of SSN that you provided. If you want to enter the info manually, click on this option, enter info manually. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, you'll have to provide the personal information. After that, you'll have to provide the financial information, and finally you'll be able to submit the application. What you have to do is enter the personal information over here, enter the legal first name, likewise enter the legal last name, also provide your email. Now what you have to do is provide your phone number over here. Make sure to provide the correct phone number. After you do that, you can also enter the work phone number if you want. Likewise, you'll also have to enter your permanent address. First of all, enter the address line 1. Likewise, enter the address line 2 if you want. Also enter the city, state and zip code. Now after you do that, what you have to do is verify your identity. Select the country of citizenship. Simply click on the country that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the country of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter your social security number or ITIN. Simply click on this field. Now enter the social security number or ITIN over here. Now after you do that, you'll also have to enter the date of birth. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the day. Likewise, enter the year. Now after you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, what you have to do is simply enter your financial information. Provide all the financial information, and finally you'll be able to submit your application. After your application is submitted, your application will be reviewed and you'll be contacted via your email address if your account has been created or not. So that is how you create Old Navy credit card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.